let's move to another, which is vectors. So in vector menu is as same as the matrices menu. Just like in matrices, you first need to define matrices. In vectors, you also need to define vectors first, and then in option button you can perform the addition of vectors and then subtraction of vectors, and you can find cross product and dot product and so on. So let's do it one by one. So we have a question here, PQ is this and QR is this. So I will press menu, and vector is the fifth menu. It's here. So you can directly press 5 or scroll to fifth menu and press equal. So same, we have to define vectors one by one. Suppose vector A is PQ. So vector 1, dimension it's 2 by 2, two dimensional. So I will press 2. The values are 12 and negative 35. So 12 and negative 35. Now I will press option again and define vector, which will be vector B. Dimensions are 2, 4 and 14. Press AC. Now they are saying find the magnitude of vector PQ, means magnitude of vector A. So you can directly use this button, shift and ABS, means absolute value of vector. So option of vector A, bracket close, equal 37. So magnitude of vector A is 37. And PR, so we know that PQ and QR, we need to add them. So clear our screen, option vector A, which is 3, plus vector B, which is 4, equal. So it's 16 and negative 21. So if you want to find dot product and cross product, this is useful for physics students. So you will just write option, scroll down, we have dot product here. Suppose if I select 2, dot product of 2 vectors, so I will write first vector here, option, and vector A, which is 3, scroll right, and option, and vector B, which is 4. So if you press equal, you will get the dot product of these two. And if you want to find the cross product, so simply you need to use this multiply button. So option 3 times means cross product, option 4. So you are getting the cross product of these two vectors. So that was all about the vectors.